Welcome! In front of me I have ALCATEL 1S, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the installation of applications from unknown sources on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe up on the screen to open the app menu, then scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's select apps and notifications. Here, scroll down, tap on advanced, then scroll down again and select special app access. Now let's tap on install unknown apps. And here we have a list of apps we can enable the installation of applications from unknown sources for example, if I tap on Chrome, I can tap on the switch next to allow from this source to enable it. And if I enable it for Chrome, basically I will be able to use the Chrome to install apps from unknown sources. And you can enable it for every app on this list. For example, File Manager, Gmail, Launcher, Facebook, Drive, and every app on this list. You can also tap on More Options icon right here and tap on Show System to show the system apps. As you can see, the Bluetooth is already allowed. And once you're done, simply go back. And that's how you enable the installation of applications from unknown sources on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.